Good morning, everyone. This is the market roundup with Kotak Mutual Fund as of 30th June 2021. To start with, we have updates for you on the debt market. Yesterday, we had a T-bill auction of 36,000 crore rupees, where the 6-month cutoff came at 6.72% and the 1-year cutoff came at 3.89%. We saw yield hardening in the GSEC, where the 10-year GSEC closed at 6.05% and the 5-year GSEC hardened by 5 basis points to close at 5.72%. Yesterday, the shorter end of the yield curve closed flat, with the 3-month CP closing at 3.48% and the 1-year segment closing at 4.08%. The longer end of the yield curve closed flat, with the 3-year AAA closing at 5.34% and the 5-year segment closing at 6.07%. LAF closed at 4.01 lakh crore rupees. In other news, the fiscal deficit for the month of April and May came at 8.2% of the full year target, compared to 58.6% for the same period last year. Moving on to the update on the equity market. The benchmark indices erased the early gains to close in red, with the Nifty 50 closing 0.17% down and the BSE Sensex losing 0.13%. While the broader market closed in green, with the mid-cap index gaining 0.26% and the small-cap index up by 0.22%. In the sectoral indices, Nifty IT rallied by 0.63%, while Nifty Bank was 0.68% down. Yesterday, we saw net selling from the FIIs in the tune of 1,647 crore rupees and the DIIs bought 1,520 crore rupees. In currency update, yesterday the rupee depreciated by 10 paise to close at 74.33 against the US dollar. In commodity update, gold was trading at $1,756 per ounce and WTI crude was trading at $73.63 per barrel. That's it for the day. Thank you for listening and have a safe day ahead. For regular updates, please subscribe to our social media pages.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.